In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Zoho CRM. Whether you're a seasoned CRM user or new to this tool, we'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring your data import is smooth and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the homepage of Zoho CRM. This will be your dashboard, your launchpad for accessing all the features that Zoho CRM offers. From here, you want to decide which type of data you want to import. Zoho CRM allows you to import leads, contacts, accounts, or deals. For the sake of this tutorial, we will focus on importing contacts, but the process is quite similar for other types of records as well. Next, click on the Contacts tab. You'll find it positioned on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the Contacts module, look for the More Actions option. Clicking this will present you with a drop-down menu. From here, select Import Contacts. This is your gateway to bringing in the valuable contact information you have stored in other files. After selecting the Import option, you'll need to choose your file type. Click on CSV as your import format. This is a common and widely used file type for importing data, supported by most applications. Remember, the data you're importing is sample data, so make sure your file meets the necessary criteria, such as having headers and being formatted correctly. Now, it's time to upload your file. Click on Browse to select the CSV file from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, hit Next to proceed. At this stage, Zoho will ask, what do you want to do with the records in the file? Here, you can decide whether to add new records, update existing ones, or both. Choose the option that best fits your needs and click Next again. The next step is crucial for a successful import. Mapping your fields, but click Apply Auto Mapping to have Zoho CRM automatically match the columns in your CSV to the fields in the database. This feature ensures your data aligns correctly, minimizing errors. Once the automatic mapping is applied, go ahead and click Apply. With mapping settled, press Next to continue. You may be prompted with a confirmation question to proceed with the data import. Simply click Yes. Before finishing, check the anti-spam policy checkbox to ensure compliance with Zoho's terms of service. Lastly, click Finish to complete the import process. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully imported contact data into Zoho CRM. This process will help you maintain a robust and organized customer database, pivotal for managing relationships and enhancing productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.